work. Gusto niyo mag-rap ako? Narito na naman tayo sa lugar na to. Basel ang tawag dito. Ito ay, Juno, ang oras dito ay 2:25. So magmamadali tayo. Etchling. Oh, si ate. Namasyal siya mag-isa. Okay. Kabayan shout out. Alright. Mr. Guapings, shout out to you from Zambales. Nakarating na ako sa Zambales. Muntik na akong malunod dyan, doon sa iba. Meron kami kasing ganda rito guys. Oh. Suot tayo dyan. Wag na. Okay. Doon sa iba, Zambales. Muntik na ako mamatay doon uli. Okay. Gruche. Hello Anton. Vigets dia. Okay. Yes, I am from Iba, Zambales. Really? Yeah, I almost died in your sa dagat nyo doon. Hindi kasi ako marunong lumangoy. Sumakay ako sa balsa. Lumubog dahil marami kami. Grabe, that's my second time. Okay. Oh, we will be there. Which one? Teka lang guys, basa lang ako. Yes, I'm from yeah. Yes. We will be there next month in Zurich, Anton. Wow. Yeah. Zurich is the financial hub of Switzerland. So good. It's an international canton. You will enjoy there. But Basel is more cute and amazing. This is Basel. But in Zurich, if you're going to go around the city itself, then it's fine. Yeah, 30, I think, less 35 minutes you can go around. But unlike here, we have beautiful corner. Skineta ba ang tawag dyan? Okay, thanks. Hello. Okay, Marky. Uy, Marky, shout out Marky from Mindanao. My mama, yeah, from Cagayan de Oro City. At may property kami dyan sa Cagayan. At may parang taga CDO ang mama ko, pero parang nag-stay rin sila sa Talakag Bukidnon. Familiar ba kayo doon sa Talakag? Ano kaya mayroon dito sa lugar na to? In this area. Try nga natin puntahan guys. Let's try. Sa Talakag Bukidnon. Sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Grabe. Sarap ng hangin guys. Kinakain ba ang hangin? Hindi. Masarap ang sambit. Masarap ang simoy ng hangin. Okay, I'm watching from Korea. That's cool. Hello, thank you. Malaysia, thank you and welcome. Parang Manila. Siyempre, ito ay nasa labas ng proper. Tiyagain muna natin dito. Kasi naipakita ko na yung super ganda na. Kaya dito tayo sa mga pangit-pangit na lugar. Okay, nakita ko na. Okay. Diyan, huwag kang pipikita. Ipakita sa mundo. Pero ang totoo niyan, if you get out from the city, then you will see the real beauty of this country. Yeah. Yung nakikita nyo sa online, meron na ako niyan. Meron na ako mga videos niyan. Kasi lang ngayon lang kayo nanood eh. Kaya ito lang unang makikita nyo. Tapos may construction pa. Yahoo. Alright, hi from Malaysia. Welcome Malaysia. Malaysia. Hello, kwe. Hello from... May kakilala po kayong mga young professional visa. Yan ay exchange program o exchange program. Yeah. Wala akong personal na kakilala dahil yung mga kilala ko dito mismo ay totoong estudyante galing sa ibang bansa. Pero yung mga young professional dito, ginawan ko ng video yan kung paano sila exchange program. Pero na-meet up sila. Mayroong isa. Pero matagal na yun, 2023. Na-meet ko siya sa Zurich. Nag-aaral siya ng yung under young professional exchange program. Yes, I remember now. Meron ba ditong lugar? Labas. Okay, nandito tayo sa Divisoria, guys. Aso. Huwag kang mangangagat. Okay, hello. Not common kung ganong pathway. Mahirap po ba? Hindi naman. Para ka lang naglalakad sa stage.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so dito tayo. Siyempre, di ba? Dessert. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ako'y isang Pinoy. Yahoo! Huwag kang matatakot. Guys, tatawid lang ako Ako'y isang Pinoy sa puso niyo. Pinoy na tayo. Uy! Regalo! Thank you. Anong trabaho mo? Diyan ako sa hotel. Sarap ba dyan, kuya? Saan ba masarap? Sa anong aspeto? Kung in general ang tanong mo, yes. As long as you have work, then your life is okay. Yeah, that's why people, not only here, they have to work. Then, rest. Ang ibig kong sabihin, there's a work-life balance in this country as well. So, we work, but we have free time as well. Example, if you work like 7 days in a week in a service industry, then you have 2 days off from work. If you work 5 days a week, then you have 1 day off. So that's it, aside from weekends. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ako'y isang Pinoy. Yan ang ating background music. Pinoy na pango. Ito na. So, this is my life here. Doon tayo sa kabila, guys. Pathway. There are a lot of options like tourist visa, student visa, fiance visa, and working visa. Very challenging, guys, coming from third country nationals. Sobrang hirap niya. Pero kung makapag-asawa kayo ng taga rito, katulad nangyari sa akin, madali lang pumunta rito. Ipakita sa mundo. Sarap dyan. Anong trabaho? Hello? Okay. Mas maganda sa Ilog Pasig. Okay. Yes, dyan. Always. Maganda naman talaga ang Ilog Pasig natin. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Thank you guys. We are like 144 live viewers right now. Thank you for joining our live. And maybe some of you had seen already this area, but no choice because today I have work, yeah, in the vicinity. So let's enjoy this place. Okay. Followed. Hanapan mo nga ako ng asawa. Diyan, kaya niya. Hanap. Sir, kumusta? Paano po makapunta dyan? Please help. How I wish. Rosie. How I wish. Na ganun siya kadali. Kasi lang mahirap talaga when it comes to Swiss employment. Considering that we are coming from third country nationals, they have a specific requirement. I keep on saying this every time I do live. Here is, ito yung kanilang requirement. According to the Secretariat for Migration, Swiss Migration, only highly qualified professionals like specialist managers with university degree, at least 3 to 5 years work experience, and yeah, with knowledge of the language here. Ooh. But you can try to apply, guys, but there are openings also for third country nationals because every year they have a quota. The Swiss Federal Council, they released, like this year they have 8,500 permits. That is 4,500 for B permit. B permit is you can stay, you can work, and you can renew it every year. And L permit 4,000. That is a short term, like less than a year or up to 1 year. So, pero yeah.
It's happened once again.
The way you hold my waist, I like I see they go.
Di maamin, damdamin. And when I hold you in
Mr. Traore, hello. Lizam Drill, where is this? In Basel, maybe in the movie. Which movie? Beautiful place. Ramso, thank you. Anong agency niyo, sir? Mary Joyce, wala pa akong agency. Nakarating ako dito dahil po sa under ako ng family reunification visa. Asawa ko ay Swiss noong 2019 po, kaya wala pa akong agency. Hello. Tara, gala pa tayo ng konti, may oras pa ako sa inyo, guys. So yung iba naman na gusto makakita ng city, why not? Puntahan natin. Gusto na makakita ng city, yung mga first timer. Actually nandoon lang yan. Doon banda. Kung gusto niya makita, tara, pasyal ko kaya. Okay, this is paulit-ulit. But Fridays lumalabas pa ako rito. Okay, free ako pag Friday, kaya napunta ako sa ibang cities. Last Friday I was in Bern. Yep. Pero during weekends, Mondays to Thursdays, dito lang ako kasi dito ako nag-work. Malapit lang. Dito, ito yung Rhine River namin dito sa mga first timer. Itong Rhine River namin dito, this is like 375 kilometers long and it flows to 6
with the roses.
Alright,
Appreciate
that's it. Missus dropping you roses. Is that all
That's
she
not
can
miss.
do? Is that all
Miss
she
is
can
Graubünden, Swiss Alps, the source of water. Then it goes to Germany, France, Austria, Liechtenstein, and north part of Netherlands. So ganun siya kaganda. ganda. But this is not only for swimming. This is not only good for swimming, but this is also a commercial river. Meron kasi ditong cruise ship, meron ditong cargo ship na dumadaan. Ganun ang river dito, malalim. Ipakita sa mundo. Ayun mga kigol-kigol doon, naliligo. Ito rin yung isa sa mga nakikita niyo sa YouTube. Na mayroon ditong may naliligo diyan. Yung floating sila papunta sa work at saka papunta sa bahay pag nauwi. At diyan ako merong million of views. Yeah. In all sa tatlong nasa sa Facebook